Hello everyone and welcome to this introductory session on financial reporting. Consider this as an introduction to the final CA financial reporting paper which I will be taking at Lakshya Kochi. This will be a 14-day course, a comprehensive course which will intend to cover entire syllabus by devoting 10 hours a day approximately. So we are targeting around 140 to 145 hours of coverage. Now this course is starting on 20th of March 2020, aiming to cover the examination for May 2020 conducted by ICAI at Final CA. So friends, financial reporting is one of the biggest paper in your syllabus. I'm sure you are aware of it. This is the most time consuming paper, and if the question that is coming in your mind as in how will we cover up this within just 14 days, the answer to that is a systematic approach. The moment you approach the study of Ind AS, study of IFRS on a systematic basis, the first thing what you achieve is within less time with more effectiveness you have a complete coverage. So the point is, we are not going to scrap out anything from the syllabus. We are going to touch every area of your syllabus and we are aiming to cover it comprehensively. Within this much time, definitely it is possible. As I said, following a systematic approach. Not just systematic approach, we are going to build a conceptual approach to the subject. Because if you are studying each Ind AS or each IFRS in an isolated manner, in isolation, if you just study one thing as one chapter, it is not going to solve the purpose. You need to learn even how to connect the dots so that your entire command over the subject is built up. So many students are always curious to know what will be benefit for them with respect to this course. The answer is very clear, friends. Even if you haven't touched this subject at all, you are going to be benefited. If you have learned this subject and you are aiming for just a revision, then also this is meant for you. So irrespective of what is your status, you can be benefited out of this course definitely. One thing that I can assure you is a very systematic approach which will make your task very easygoing, and you can aim completing this within the stipulated time in a rightful manner. So friends, don't forget the date. It is 20th of March at Kochi, Lakshya. Thank you so much for attending this session.